Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Sinking City 2 game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button, select restart PS5. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings first. Click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, go to settings menu from PS5 home screen. Now choose system. Then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off. Next solution is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts. Move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the Sinking City 2 game. Click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, click on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the option button. Then select advanced settings, then change DNS settings to manual. After that, you have to enter the primary and secondary Google DNS. After this, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, click on connection status, test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if for update option and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. First, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update using system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select the Sinking City 2 game. If you are using PS Plus Cloud, then select download or delete from cloud storage. Then select the game and then check. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, first launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall the Sinking City 2. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Then select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the Sinking City 2 game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You can explain the issue you are coming across to the support team. They will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.